In this video, we will learn about hydroenergy, that is energy from flowing water. The word hydro is related to water. Now let's understand about hydroenergy. It is the kinetic energy of flowing water in a stream or potential energy of water stored at height. A hydropower plant converts potential energy of stored water into electrical energy. When water falls from the sufficient height, its potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy of flowing water is used to move turbine of hydropower generator so as to produce electricity. There are a few waterfalls which may be used as a source of potential energy needed to produce hydel energy. Such hydropower plants are called as run-of-the-river scheme plants. However, such waterfalls are limited in number and hence large-size dams are needed to produce hydroelectric energy. In last century, a large number of dams were built all over the world and more dams are being constructed even now. Here we can observe the setup of hydroelectricity generation. Here we have the dam. This dam is the region where water is stored and this water contains potential energy. Here we have gates, and through these gates this water stored in reservoir will move. This moving water will possess kinetic energy. So this potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Now this moving water will rotate the blade of turbine and here the electricity will be generated. So here we can observe that first potential energy is converted into kinetic energy and then this kinetic energy of water is converted into electrical energy. Let's understand about hydropower plant. As shown in figure, a high-rise dam is constructed on a river at a suitable location to obstruct the flow of water and thereby collect water in very large sized reservoir. So here we have that large sized reservoir. The water level rises in the reservoir and stored water possesses potential energy. Sluice gates are constructed at the base of a dam. So these are the sluice gate. When sluice gates are opened, water from the high level in the dam is carried through a water tunnel, that is channel or pipe, to the turbine of the electric generator installed at the bottom of the dam. So here we have the turbine of the generator and this is the canal or the passage from which water will flow. Kinetic energy of water coming through the tunnel moves the turbine and as a result electrical energy is generated by the powerhouse generator. The electrical energy so generated is transmitted through power lines. So here the electrical energy will be generated and it will be transmitted through power lines. Now let's understand the advantages. Some important advantages of hydroelectricity are as follows. A. As no fuel is used in hydropower plant, there is no fuel cost involved for the production of electricity. B. Hydroenergy is a renewable source of energy since the water in the reservoir would be refilled each time it rains, hence we do not need to worry about hydroelectricity sources getting used up after some time. C. As no gas or ash is produced during operation of hydropower plant, there is no air or water pollution. Moving ahead, let's understand about the limitations. The production of hydroelectricity by constructing high-rise dams on rivers has following limitations. A. The dams on rivers can be constructed only in a limited number of places, generally in hilly terrain. Thus, a hydropower plant cannot be established at any place of our choice. B. Large area of agricultural land and human habitation, that is villages, get submerged in the water reservoir formed due to construction of high-rise dam. It creates the problem of satisfactory rehabilitation of displaced people. C. Large ecosystems, that is flora and fauna, plants and animals, are destroyed when submerged under the water in dams. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.